The Curious Caterpillar. Kathy the caterpillar loved exploring the garden. She crawled on leaves and climbed up flowers. One day she found a shiny object. It was a dewdrop on a leaf. Kathy spent hours looking at her reflection, amazed by the tiny world inside the drop. As she grew, Kathy realized she had to go into a cocoon. She was nervous but excited for the change. After some time, Kathy came out of her cocoon as a beautiful butterfly. She learned that change can be wonderful and bring new adventures. The music box. Clara found an old music box in the attic. When she opened it, a sweet melody played and a tiny ballerina twirled. Clara was mesmerized by the music and danced around the room. Her grandmother told her that the music box had been hers when she was little. Clara was happy to share this special moment with her grandmother, and they danced together. Clara learned that sometimes old things can hold beautiful memories and bring people closer. The pirate treasure. Jack loved pirates, so he and his friends decided to play a pirate treasure hunt. They made a treasure map and hid a box of candy in the backyard. Jack pretended to be the captain, leading his crew through the dangerous seas of their yard. After following clues and facing monsters, they finally found the treasure. Everyone cheered, and they shared the candy. Jack realized that the real treasure wasn't the candy, but the fun they had together. The talking tree. In a magical forest, there was a tree that could talk. One day, Mia stumbled upon the tree and was surprised when it greeted her. The tree told Mia stories about animals, birds, and even the stars. Mia listened for hours, fascinated by the tree's wisdom. Before she left, the tree gave Mia a seed and told her to plant it at home. Mia did, and soon a small tree began to grow in her backyard. She learned that nature holds many wonderful secrets if we take time to listen. The Little Chef. Lucas loved watching cooking shows. One day, he decided to make breakfast for his family. He scrambled eggs, toasted bread, and poured juice, all by himself. His family was surprised and so proud of him. Lucas felt like a real chef. He learned that cooking is fun and that he could help his family in small but important ways. From that day, Lucas decided to cook more often and try new recipes. He realized that even kids can be great helpers in the kitchen. The Friendly Spider. Most people were afraid of spiders, but not Lucy. She had a small spider named Spiky living in the corner of her room. One day, Lucy noticed Spiky catching flies in his web. She realized that Spiky was helping her by keeping the room free of bugs. From then on, Lucy told her friends not to be scared of spiders, as they can be helpful. She learned that sometimes things we fear can actually be good for us if we take time to understand them. The Great Sandcastle. Tom and his sister Emma went to the beach. They decided to build the biggest sandcastle they could. Together, they dug, shaped, and decorated the castle with seashells and sticks. When it was done, it looked like a real castle. Other kids came over to admire their work, and soon they were all building more castles. Tom and Emma were proud of what they had built. They learned that teamwork makes anything possible, and that sharing fun with others makes it even better.